Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to explain what the hell are comments. So what the hell are comments? Comments are basically just lines you write inside your code that will help you understand your code better and make it easier to read. Basically you add nodes. Comments are just nodes you add to help you clarify your code more. So let's take an example how to write a comment first. So we put double slashes and you write here whatever you want, and this won't affect your code. This is what a comment is. So let's say for example we wrote here this is the start of our program. Now this won't affect the output of our code if we run it. Okay, my computer is crashing. Okay, let's run it. So it's still the same output from the last tutorial. We print this and then this on the screen, so it doesn't print anything new and it doesn't give any errors. So for example you want to add a note here saying this is the first sentence, and then here I can't write now, this is the second sentence. Okay, and it still runs perfectly. As you can see, nothing changes. We now have just more explanation to our code, that this is the first sentence and this is the second sentence. Now if you want to write multiple lines of code, multiple lines of comments, sorry, we can do something like this. Open basically slash and then star, and Visual Studio 2019 automatically does it, it closes it. So now anything between the star slash and between the slash star and the star slash here will be a comment. So let's say something like this, 2, 3. So these are all comments. They are green, which indicates comment, and here it displays no issues found, there are no errors. The code still runs perfectly. So hello world 6969 sentence 2, and it's all good. So yes, that's basically it. Let's delete this. In the next tutorial we're going to give a brief introduction on variables. So variables are pretty important. So until then, see ya.